In this video, I show you how to fix file format is not supported or files are corrupted in gallery on Android phone. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for gallery app, tap on gallery, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, tap on delete. If you cannot find storage clear data option, then you can click on uninstall update on Redmi phone. After clicking uninstall update, now I hope that this method fix file format is not supported or file corrupted in gallery problem. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix this app version is deprecated. Please update your app on Facebook or Messenger.